If your business makes perfect sense to you, please watch this because there's a really good chance it makes absolutely no sense to everyone else. And I keep running into this with business owners because they'll show me their website, their Instagram, an ad they made, a video they posted, whatever it is, and then they'll explain it to me. They'll say, so this is showing this, and it's important because of this. And what we're trying to get people to understand is this. And sometimes I'll have to stop them and say, okay, but how would I know any of that? Because you just gave me 30 seconds of context that the customer never gets. And that's really where the disconnect is. And I think this is one of the easiest mistakes to make when you own a business. You know too much about your business. You know what you sell, you know who it's for, you know why someone would want it, you know there's other alternatives in the market, you know that the picture matters because of XYZ reason. You know that the video is showing because these people need to see it. You know what someone is supposed to do after they even see your stuff. But when you actually do your own marketing, your brain is filling all of those gaps in what's missing. Your customer can't do that. And more importantly, your customer likely will never do that because they only know what you have actually given them. And I've seen this happen in ridiculously simple ways. When someone will show me a social proof and they say, it's a beautiful picture, it's super vibey, it looks fantastic, the composition is on point, and they say, look at this. And I'm thinking, what am I looking at? Where is this? Who are these people? What's happening here? Why is this interesting? Why would I want to go there? Etc. Because at the end of the day, the questions that they have in their mind, the questions that I have in my mind when I look at your stuff, and I'm supposed to inherently understand what it is, why it should bring value to my life, and what you want me to actually do. If I'm not going to connect those dots, even as somebody who has interacted with these businesses, likely your customer base isn't either. But to the person who made the post, they're all just inherently obvious because they've lived there, they were there, they've been in that particular place. That is the problem. And that is something like just routinely I see over and over again. Let's take something as basic as a roofer. They post a picture of a finished roof and write, another beautiful project completed. Great job, team. The roofer looks at the picture and they see everything. They know what was wrong with the roof, why those particular shingles were picked, what this material choice meant, what the homeowner was worried about, what changed, made the project difficult, why the homeowner chose them. You know what I see? I see a roof. That is it. And ultimately, that's why I don't think this is always just a messaging problem, because a lot of people will say it as such. Sometimes you're just simply leaving out information because you don't realize it's information anymore. It feels obvious to you, and this happens everywhere. Book a consultation. For what? On your website. What's going to happen? How long is this going to take? What am I going to leave this meeting with? Come visit us. Why? Say that we're different, or see why we're different. Different how? Experience better service. We're friendly, we're local, we're like a family, we're trusted. Well, better than what? For whom? Why? Businesses constantly ask people to care before they're even given reason to care. Or they ask people to take an action before they've given them enough information to want to take that action. Take your website, take an ad, take your Instagram, take your latest post, take whatever potential customer you're trying to interact with, and try to forget everything you know about your business. Look at it as a complete stranger and ask, what is this? Is it actually for me? Why should I care? Why should I believe in you? What makes you different? Better yet, if you want to really just cut out the noise, actually give it to someone who doesn't understand your business. Don't explain anything and see how they react. That's the important part. When you give them 10 seconds with it and then ask them what they think they should do, ask them what it's for, why they think somebody would buy it, what they're supposed to do next, what is going to happen and why, all these things that you can just boil down essentially. And when they get something wrong, don't correct them, because that's the entire point. What you intended to communicate doesn't matter nearly as much as what they actually understood. This is frankly where that disconnect becomes so important. And I think that's a trap that a lot of business owners routinely fall into without realizing it. You spend 8 hours a day inside your business, if not more. If you're just cramming through to try and build this thing from the ground up, you have years of context lightly from the market, who it's for, how they communicate, but still you're not reflecting that back on the people you actually want to buy your stuff. They have whatever you manage to communicate them in 10 seconds. And when you actually look at all your materials, your business card, your website, your content that you're posting, those emails that you're sending out, an ad, whatever it is, don't ask, does this make sense? Because of course it makes sense to you. Ask, would this make sense to someone if they saw it, if they knew absolutely nothing about my business? That is the most important marker there, because your customer isn't going to sit there and try and figure it out. They're going to just move on to the next business that they understand. So I would challenge you to do this. Review all of your materials, see if it makes sense if you knew nothing about your actual business. And if you can get that down, if you can nail that, then congrats. You win the game. You've solved this problem, and that will affect everything downstream. But to be clear, if you think this is your problem and you're not 100% sure it is, just click the link in the description. It'll tell you exactly if this is one of your bottlenecks in your business. But I hope this was valuable to you. It's just a simple lesson that I think people should take to heart. More and more I see all the time that you never want to assume. It's always imperative that you educate your prospects, because an educated prospect is a qualified prospect. That's all I have for you today. Until then, I'll see you next time.